Happy morning children. Happy to meet you all again in Sheba group online class. Today I am going to teach you the subject social. Lesson name is 5 landforms part 2. Children, let me recall few points on 5 landforms part 1. Do you remember children what is a landform? What are the different types of landform? How it was classified? Just remember children, landform, a place where we can see on the surface of the earth, is called landform. The 5 types of landforms are Kurunji, Mullai, Marudam, Neithal and Palai. Children, do you remember which land is called as Kurunji land? Yes children, you are right. The mountain and its surroundings is called as Kurunji land. Children, I hope you know which land is called as Sembulam. Yes children, the Mullai land is called as Sembulam. Do you know why? Yes, due to the presence of red soil, it is called as Sembulam. Children, I hope you all know and remember what are the themes of Kurunji and Mullai land. Now, likewise, I am going to teach you other 3 landforms, Marudam, Neithal and Palai. Come on children, let me start our class. 5 landforms part 2. Themes. Themes means Karumpurul. Essential features of particular landform is called as themes children. First we are going to see the land Marudam. The vast flat land on the surface of the earth is called plain. Plain na vayalgal. Vayalum சார்ந்த இடத்தை தான் மருதம் சொல்வாங்க. So the agriculture crop fields and its surroundings is called as Marudam land. Now let us deal with the theme of the Marudam land. God Indiran, he was also called as Vendan. People Ulavar, Ulatiyar, Ulavarna farmer. Okay mama, fields work பண்றவங்க தான் உழவர் சொல்வாங்க. Occupation farming. Farming என்ன? விவசாயம். Plant காஞ்சி மருதம். Flower lotus குவளை. Animal buffalo. Bird crane. And the music instrument is Marudam Yal. Children, now I am going to show you the pictures of the Marudam land theme. See the pictures children for Marudam land. It all deals with the farming. Farming deal ஆயிருக்கும். ஓகேவா? எல்லாமே farmers அந்த இது வச்சே இருக்கும். So God Vendan, he is also called as Indiran. And the occupation and the people name is farmers. Flower lotus and kuvalai. Animal buffalo. Bird crane. Children, when we talk about Marudam, the agriculture field and its surroundings is called as Marudam land. So for agriculture crops, there is a main thing. What is that? Yes, it's a water. So where we get from water? We get water from rain. That rainwater should be stored, right? It is stored as a dam. So when we come across the dam, we remember what dam? Yes, it is Kallanai. Do you remember children? Yes, Kallanai is a dam built by Karigala Cholan across the river Kaveri. It is the 4th oldest diversion system used for irrigation purposes. Let me explain you about the length. Length is 1080 feet. And the width is 66 feet and the height is 18 feet. Children, dam is used for storing water for our future generations and future purposes. Clear children? So Marudam always deals with the farming area and the agriculture land. Clear children? Students, our next landform is Neithal. Before going for a Neithal, do you know about our earth? Our earth is covered with 3/4 of water and 1/4 of land. This 3/4 of water is called water bodies like sea or oceans. So Neithal, a large salty water which are covered on the surface of the earth is called the sea. The sea and the surroundings are called Neithal. So children, sea na ennaduma கடல், கடலும் சார்ந்த இடமும் தான் நெய்தல். கடலை சுற்றி இருக்கிற அவங்கள சுற்றி இருக்கிற சரௌண்டிங்ஸை நெய்தல் சொல்லுவோம். அதோட தீம்ஸும் பார்த்திங்கன்னா அந்த கடல் பேஸ்டாகவே இருக்கும். ஓகேவா சில்ட்ரன்? ஸோ நெய்தல் த sea and the sea around the surroundings is called as Neithal. Their god is Varunan and the people is Paratavar means fishermen. Okay children? Occupation fishing. Ultimately they have an occupation of fishing. And the plant is Punnai and the flower is Kandal. Okay, let me say no. Which animal is Neithal land animal? Yes, you are right children, it is a fish. And the bird is sea crow. And the musical instrument is Villari Yal. Children, Paratavar. Apart from Paratavar, they are Serpan, Pulamban, Nulayar, Alavar. என்ன பண்ணுவாங்கன்னா நெய்தல் பீப்புள்ஸ் they not only go for a fishing, they used to thrive on coconut. ஸோ தென்னை மரம் பீச் சைடு நிறைய தென்னை மரம் இருக்கும். அந்த தென்னை மரத்தை வளர்க்குறதும் ஃபிஷர்மேன்ஸ் தான். அப்புறம் அங்கே இருக்கிற சீ ஃபுட்ஸ் ஃபிஷ்ஷஸ் எல்லாம் ட்ரீட் பண்ணுவாங்க, விற்பனை பண்ணுவாங்க, அவங்களும் ஃபிஷர்மேன்ஸ் தான். ஓகேவா சில்ட்ரன்? அண்ட் தென் ஹவு இஸ் த சாயில் இன் நெய்தல்? நெய்தலில் சாயில் எப்படி இருக்கும்? இட் இஸ் யூஸ் ஃபார் அக்ரிகல்ச்சர் சில்ட்ரன் purposes children? No, it is not used for agriculture because it is a saline soil. saline soil na uppu mann, anga irukra mann eppadi irukum? Uppu mann. It is not used for any purposes, just we can walk on that sand. Clear children? So saline soil is not used for any purpose. Agriculture panna mudiyadhu, we can't even construct with that building. So Neithal, I hope everyone understand Neithal theme. Now I am going to show you the pictures of Neithal. Students, Neithal god is Varunan. He is also called as rain god and their occupation is fishing. And the flower Kandal, Punnai, and the animal is fish, bird is sea crow. I hope everyone understand the Neithal theme. Children, in Neithal theme I am going to say you one amazing fact. So in our district Chennai, which one is the Neithal place ma? Yes children, you are right, it is a beach, our Marina Beach. Okay, let me say about a few facts on that. Our Marina Beach is in the eastern side of along the Bay of Bengal. It runs from St. Fort George to in the north to Foreshore Estate in the south. It is the second longest beach in the world. And do you know which one is the first one? Yes, it is in Miami, Florida, America. Miami Beach is called as the first longest beach. Now Palai region. Children, do you remember how Palai region is formed? It is formed when the Kurunji and Mullai land is dried up. So Kurunji land eppadi irukum? Mountains and its surroundings. Mullai land forest and its surroundings. When these land didn't get a good rainfall, they dried up. So நல்ல மழை வரலன்னா இந்த காடும் செழிக்காது, மலையும் எதுவும் பண்ண முடியாது. அங்கே மலையில் இருக்கிற செடி கொடியும் செழிக்காது. அந்த மாதிரி இருக்கிற பிளேஸ் தான் என்னவாயிடும்? பாலை. So Palai is called as a place which have dense na kammiya, dense rainfall or without rainfall is called as Palai region. So Palai theme also deals with the desert. It is also Palai region is also called as desert. Desert region la என்னென்ன theme இருக்கோ அதுதான் Palai land ஓட theme. First god Kottravai and the people Einar, Eitriya. and their occupation, people occupation is cattle lifting, and their plant is palai, and the flower is cactus ilupai. Cactus kallicheri, okay mama? And the animal is tiger, elephant, and the bird is eagle. So children, when we talk about palai, the soil of palai is very dry. Okay children, it is also a sand, saline sand. So as I told you in the previous topic, saline sand na uppu mannu. Adhu it is not used for any purposes. It is not useful to do agriculture or in any construction thing. Children, let me show you the pictures of Palai theme. Kotravai, the god of Palai. Cattle lifting, the occupation of Palai. And the cactus, plant of Palai. Ilupai, tiger, animal of Palai. And eagle, bird of Palai. Students, let me recap the themes of Marudam, Neithal and Palai land. Marudam god is Indiran, and the people is Ulavar Ulathiyar, and their occupation is farming. Plant Kanchi Marudam, flower lotus, animal buffalo, and the bird is crane. It deals with, Marudam land deals with the agriculture crops and its surrounding, and the soil is fertile soil, alluvial and red soil. Now Neithal landform. So it has the theme of God in Varunan. People Paratavar, and the occupation is fishing, and the plant is Punnai, flower is Kanthal, and the animal is fish, bird, sea crow. Neithal, the sea and its surroundings is called Neithal. The soil of Neithal is saline soil. Now at the last one is Palai landform. It is formed due to the dry up of Kurunji and Mullai land. God is Kotravai, and the people is Einar, 8-year, and their occupation is cattle lifting, and the plant is Palai. Flower is cactus, ilupai, animal is tiger, elephant, and the bird is eagle. Children, I hope everyone understand the concepts of 5 landforms clearly. Now, let me see in our next class, children. Students, before moving to the next class, let me explain you the evolution from book page number 146. So, first one, write the names of the mountains and the places where they are located in your districts. So, in our districts also children, we are having a mountains. So, what are the mountains? Do you all visit this mountain? Pallavaram mountain. Where it is children? It is in Pallavaram. Second one is St. Thomas mountain. There is a famous church. It is in Paravantangal. So children, second room letter, write the names of trees around your school. What are the trees you can able to see around your school children? Neem tree, Vepamaram, and people tree. People tree in Tamil, Arasamaram. Now fill in the blanks. Children, I hope everyone is going to answer my questions. The first flat land on the earth is called, children, tell me answer. Yes, it is a plain. And the dash is the 4th oldest water diversion system for irrigation in the world. Yes, children, it is Kallanai. Dash forest is located in Kanyakumari district. What forest, children? Kiri Parai Reserve Forest. The agricultural land and the area around is called Marudam. Yes, you are good. Dash is the biggest mangrove forest in India. Sundarbans. Marina Beach is located in, I am going to write the answer. Tell me. Yes, it is in Chennai. Yes, dear, you are all right. Now move on to the match the followings. Murugan, god of Kurunji. Thirumal, Mullai. Indiran, Marudam. Varunan, Neithal. Kotravai, Palai. And God of Kurunji, Murugan. Flower, Kurunji flower. People, Kuravar, Kuratiyar. And occupation is root gathering. Yes, children, I hope everyone understand the concept of 5 landforms, part 1 and part 2. Children, I meet you in the next class with another topic in the subject social. Thank you all.